What's up? It's Spencer Nuzzi. Today we're going to unbox the Coleman BT200X mini bike. It's a new mini bike by Coleman Powersports. So some of the new features this bike has, it's got lighting, suspension, it even has a different frame. Let's unbox this thing. The little Coleman power kit. Okay, nice. Oh, dope. Also comes with a toolkit. Oh, nice. Nice, it gives you actually a ton of different wrench options right here. Oh, and the light. Nice. What is this? The fork. I guess you might need this. Oh, yeah. I think everything out of the box is fine. Alright, first we gotta get the fork on. Nice. So we just screwed on the fork, looking pretty good. Has the view from down there. Time to put the front fender on. It's pretty nice, actually. Got the front fender on, now time for the rear. Rear fender on. Looking good. Now we get to put the handlebars on. But I think I'm missing a piece. Never mind, I was way too lit. So I gotta loosen these things up. Chill. Why was that so hard to screw on? Handlebars are on. Handlebars looking good. Now for the tire. Gonna put the tire on next. They are directional actually, so look for an arrow on them that should show you which way they should roll. Make sure you look for that. This way. You're next. Ooh, the light is on. I guess it's safe to say we're done.